Hi there, my name's Avery and I'm the delivery specialist over here at Carriage Kia of Woodstock. Today I'm going to be in a beautiful Kia Soul Plus. I'm going to be briefing you just a little bit about Apple CarPlay. Apple CarPlay is a hands-free system and meant for you to put your phone down so you're not being distracted while you're driving using your cellular device. I do stress that you need to be at a complete stop and at a safe location when doing anything that regards setting up your infotainment system. So Apple CarPlay is a hands-free system that you can use to text, call, use navigation, listen to music, audiobooks, and even podcasts.
To access Apple CarPlay, you'll need to plug in your USB cord into the port underneath your head unit, and then you'll plug in the other end into your iPhone. It should indicate that it is charging and ready to use. You'll then look on your head unit and Apple CarPlay should pop up on the bottom right-hand side. Then you'll push the icon and it should bring you to this screen. Then you'll be able to swipe back and forth just like on your iPhone and pick out which apps you'd like to use. If you want to return to your main screen, just push Kia. It'll take you back. If you'd like to go back to Apple CarPlay, press the icon on the bottom right-hand side and you'll return.
If Apple CarPlay is not working and you keep plugging your phone in and nothing's popping up, it says reading USB or anything like that, and you've already gone through these steps, you probably have a faulty phone cord. You may need to go on Amazon and/or go to Apple and purchase a brand new phone cord. If you have something below a 5, then Apple CarPlay will not work regardless of any step that you take. If you have any other questions regarding Apple CarPlay, please don't hesitate to contact your local dealer. Or you can come over here at Carriage Kia of Woodstock and I can answer any questions that you may have. Thank you so much for tuning in with me today, and I hope that this was helpful. Have a great day.